in the latest development of the Pune Porsche case, two doctors, Dr. Srihari Harlore and Dr. Ajay Tavade, have been arrested by the Pune Crime Branch. The doctors have been accused of manipulating the blood report of the teenage suspect involved in the accident. Dr. Tavade was previously suspended for aiding the escape of drug mafia chief Lalit Patil from Sassoon Hospital while Patil was in police custody. The minor, who is alleged accused responsible for the accident, was taken to Sassoon Government Hospital in Pune for a medical examination on 26th of May. The minor's family allegedly bribed the doctors, prompting Dr. Ajay Tavade, head of forensic medicine and toxicology at Sassoon Hospital, and Dr. Srihari Harlore, chief medical officer in the emergency department, to alter the blood samples. Dr. Harlore's department initially took the teen's blood sample, suspecting it might contain alcohol. The doctors decided to switch it. Dr. Ajay Tavade, despite being on leave, intervened to ensure a different patient's blood sample was submitted for testing to uncover the truth. Pune police have sent the minor's blood sample to another laboratory for DNA testing. Meanwhile, Pune Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar confirmed that the blood samples of the juvenile alleged accused was tampered with by the doctors. He said that the samples were swapped with those of another person. The accused blood samples were taken and discarded in a dustbin. Kumar added that the doctor accepted a bribe to alter the samples.
इस मैटर में जो 304 आईपीसी का गुना दाखिल किया गया था, उस केस में आज अर्ली मॉर्निंग आवर्स में 120 बी आईपीसी क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी, 467 फोर्जरी और 201, 213 और 214 आईपीसी डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एविडेंस, ये सेक्शंस बढ़ाए गए हैं। इसमें कल इवनिंग आवर्स में हमारे पास फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट्स प्राप्त हुई है और फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट से ये पता चला है कि जो ससून हॉस्पिटल में सैंपल कलेक्ट किया गया था, जिसको वहाँ के डॉक्टर ने सील करके ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नाम लिख करके वो जो फोरेंसिक को भेजा था, वो सैंपल उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नहीं था। ये वो निष्कर्ष पे जो औंध की सैंपल हमने औंध हॉस्पिटल में जो हमने सैंपल सेकेंड सैंपल शाम को ली थी और जिसको डीएनए प्रोफाइलिंग के लिए भेजी थी, उसके तहत ये बात सामने आई। औंध का सैंपल ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का है और वो सैंपल उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड के फादर के डीएनए से भी मैच होता है। मतलब कि औंध का सैंपल एक करेक्ट सैंपल, करेक्ट व्यक्ति का सैंपल था, परंतु जो ससून हॉस्पिटल ने सुबह में जो सैंपल फोरेंसिक को भेजा था, वो सैंपल किसी और व्यक्ति का था। मतलब कि ये सैंपल रिप्लेस किया गया है, ऐसी बात कल फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट प्राप्त होने के बाद समझ में आई।
And to speak more on the twists and turns in the Pune Porsche case, I am now being joined by my colleague Kiran Tare live on this broadcast. Kiran, how many twists and how many turns? You know, my mind first went to Sassoon Hospital. What an iconic hospital established by the Sassoon, family in Pune. Tell us more about this as to this Dr. Tavade, who apparently has been accused of tampering and, orchestrating the escape of a mafia don. Why did he even stay at the hospital, Kiran Tare?
Yeah, of course, Sudha, this is nothing less than a crime thriller web series we always watch on the UTT platforms. But here in this case, everybody in the system, it seems that everybody in the system has been bribed to get a favorable decision, a favorable verdict for the accused in this case. Dr. Tavade, he has a very bad reputation. He was earlier suspended to help to escape the drug mafia Lalit Patil from the same hospital. He was reinstated after some time, but he had that kind of reputation. He had that kind of track record, and still he was the person to whom he was the forensic head, of course. So as a forensic head, he was responsible to take the right samples. But in this case also, he has lived up to his reputation only that he is not trustworthy. Similarly, the police have taken the samples and they have given the samples to a private lab in Aund, which the commissioner is talking about. The private samples will be used in this case now because the government hospital samples, they are tampered with. This is a very gracious and this is a very serious crime to weaken the case and give the suspect a chance and age to in the legal battle.
Kiran, let me interject. Kiran, 1 minute. If they are now going to take the sample and give it to a new laboratory, but then the time has passed. The presence of alcohol must have been washed away. Initially also there was a controversy that the alleged accused teenager was given water and pizza, water, which will actually flush out all the alcohol in your blood. And, what is the point of going to a lab now is what many people are asking at this point.
No, absolutely. This is a very valid question because once the 2 samples have been taken out, the second sample was sent after almost 12 hours. By that time, the traces of alcohol may have vanished from his blood. This is a very serious attempt to weaken the case because we must remember that whenever the case will stand up in the court, the judge will definitely ask for the sample of his blood test. And if the alcohol is not found in his blood, then the case is definitely weakened. Here, the doctors have done it deliberately to help the victim. And of course, it's not just a barter system. They must have taken a hefty amount from the family. And we know how much the family is influential, what kind of tactics they are using, from pressurizing the driver, to bribing the doctors, to putting a pressure on local MLA, to putting a pressure on the police system. Everybody was approached by the family, the Agarwal family, and we know that how desperate they are to get the minor out of this case. But here, I won't blame the family because they are the corrupt. They are known to be the corrupt. But here, the doctors, whom the entire system was banking upon for the right results, they have done a very gross injustice to those who were killed in this accident.
Kiran Tare, now Amitesh Kumar is coming and giving one press conference after the other. And it is mainly because of the public outcry, Kiran. I mean, I have seen how the people of Pune have come out and said this will not do. You think the police did not fail, Kiran? I mean, do you think they did due diligence? Look at the number of days which have lapsed and now they suddenly wake up that the doctors may have tampered, because we have been hearing reports. The driver was coerced to take the blame on himself. The grandfather had apparently contacted so-called, mafia dons to save his grandchild. So on and so forth. Don't you think the police cannot now say that, Acha, I have done 3 press conferences and we are free of any blame, Kiran Tare? What would you say?
No, of course, the first bugs officers who were present on duty on the day in the population, they have been suspended for days. Honestly, and with a full intention.
Having some problem with the audio of my colleague Kiran Tare, who was actually trying to say that, the buck stops, of course, with the police, and maybe, he was about to say that. But earlier he also kind of focused on how Dr. Tavade has such a kind of, soiled reputation, and he said that it is a barter system which must have happened between the family of the alleged accused teenager in the Pune Porsche case and the doctors. Of course, the doctors, both of them have been arrested on your screens right now. The teen was taken, by the way, to Sassoon Hospital for a medical examination, a very, very reputed hospital in Pune for years now, which was set up by the Sassoon family. Now, Dr. Harlore's department also, this is the one, the gate opened when they took the blood sample. Okay, and suspecting that maybe it will show up the content of alcohol in the bloodstream of the alleged accused, it was switched and someone else's blood sample was given. I think this is a tragedy of the system. I think this is a systemic failure of the system, that for money you don't bother, that there are 2 24-year-old IT, the techies, who've lost their lives. The Pune Porsche case is not going away anywhere, and we shall keep a track on it.